Jessica, and today we'll be doing putting a whole entire bottle of shaving cream into slime. But you might be wondering that this is not a really big giant bottle. This is my first sense. It's my first time actually putting a whole entire bottle of shaving cream into slime. I wanted to use a little small one, so yeah. Before we get started, click the subscribe button in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you guys subscribe? If you did, well done. Now let's get on to the video. Yay! And here are the supplies. I have this really very melted slime, as you can see. It's like not slime, basically glue. So yeah. I'm gonna try to activate it with some shaving cream. Oh yeah, if you didn't know that shaving cream can activate slime. So let's get started. Okay. Okay, we're gonna start with that much first. So as you guys can tell, that's a lot of shaving cream with one squirt. So I'm pretty sure that my slime's gonna get activated. It could just turn to shaving cream. Who knows? Look. My shaving cream's getting all over my hands. Okay, after I'm done mixing this, I'm going to check back with you guys. And I'm done. Shaving cream all over my hands. I noticed that it got a little thicker. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's actually a little thicker than it was before. Okay. Now I'm gonna put a little bit more cream. I'm trying to put a little bit less. Okay, I think that's good. Because it does get very messy. If you try this at home, it's very messy, so you might not want to put anything on the bottom of this. Well, it's so cool. This is what you call fluffy slime. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit more. It's always I like how it doubles in size. Both for this. Whoa. I have to hold this bowl. I like how the color's turning out. More shaving cream. Whoa. Whoa. I'm going to finish the slime and I'm going to get back to you guys. My hands are sticky again. And this is what it came out. It's really nice. It took me a while, so I had to cut it. I also had to use some of my clear slime and I made a very big mess. But this is a very nice slime. I do recommend making the slime but only making it from scratch. Like if you have glue or something, then you should make it. But if you don't really have glue, I think you should just make regular slime or just get some slime ingredients. So yeah. I hope you liked this video and I'll see you next time. Bye! And let me know if you like this slime.